Hi everyone, welcome to the Dave's World YouTube channel. So I had a lot of people contact me because they wanted the parts that I was making for Gen 1 and Gen 2 cruises, so I decided to start a website called supercruises.com. Hey everyone, welcome to Dave's World. I'm shooting another video where I'm pretty much going to show you what I'm doing on my day off. So the last video you guys saw me working on the Cobra. I just rushed it out for Memorial Day because I thought it was a really cool video that I wanted to share with everyone. Basically, if you were paying attention to that video, I was having some trouble drilling a hole, and I had to actually lower the lift so I can get some strength to kind of pop the drill through the bottom of the floor pan in this car because it was made of steel. Now, the reason I was having trouble was because of my spine. Usually I don't work that hard, at least recently, because I've been having problems with my spine, but I wanted to get it done so I can get the video out, and normally I'll take off for a few days because I'm in a lot of pain. Like even today I was pretty much laying down for like 6 hours just to get my back to relax. However, my friend Doug is having a little bit of a problem putting in an intercooler, and I realized he doesn't live too far away, so he's driving up here. He'll actually be here any minute now, and I'm going to help him finish installing the intercooler. I told him just come to my shop and I'll do it for you. It's a really cool car. It's like a metallic teal color. You guys have probably seen it all over the internet, so you'll obviously see it in the video now. I also wanted to add, I'm starting a new segment in my videos called Crazy Cruise Owner of the Month. I want to give a shout out to my friend Justin. Check this footage out and you'll see why I added it. So if you guys like that footage, what I'm going to be doing is adding that stuff to the website. So there's a section of like custom cars, his car, his build sheet, and a picture of the car will be on the site in that section. And if you have any questions or want to know more about the car, just let me know. You can ask me right through the website. Okay, so really quick, I wanted to look at the bottom half of these seats because I wanted to see if there was a way to get the bottom portion out. Oh, cool, there is, okay. Oh, that just Velcros, cool. So, what I think I want to do is I'm going to drill straight through the floor and make this seat permanently mounted right through the floor because it doesn't need to be adjustable because there's such little space in here anyway that adjustability is almost non-existent. You can't really move it. So now that I know these come out, I can go right through the bottom of this, right through the bottom of the car, and use some grade 8 bolts to hold everything in place, which is perfect. So that's what I'll be doing. I don't know if I'm going to do that in this video because Doug's on his way, but at least in the future you guys will probably see that. Let me know what you think of this build. I don't really show it on the channel as much as the other cars, but at the same time I wasn't doing anything cool with this car yet, but there's going to be some really cool stuff coming on this one. Cool. Alright, so at least I have a game plan. I need to get this thing out of the way now because he'll be here any minute. This is just extra padding because these seats are not comfortable. Think I hear Doug. Wow, I love that color. Dude, this color is so much nicer in person.
It is, and it's super dirty too.
Yeah, but it still looks good dirty.
It's more teal, right?
Yeah.
Than in pictures?
Yeah, I thought it was like almost like stainless steel, but blue.
No,
but in person, it's like really bright and like very electric looking.
It's a chrome. That's why I told you, you can't look at it on camera and see it.
Right, right. Yeah, dude, like it doesn't do it justice at all. I love this. This is sick. Oh, I like the diffuser in the front too. Dude, the colors are just right. You know what it's missing? A storage pod on the roof, like all the drift cars have. Yeah?
It's not a priority.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking about.
That's like the new thing I'm seeing for all the drift cars and stuff. You have to have the storage pod.
Yeah, I'm looking at getting a roof rack on the ski box from
Yeah.
and have it wrapped the same colors on top of that.
Oh, that'll look sick actually. Even if you never put anything in it, it just look cool.
That's the plan. So
Yeah.
you want me to back up?
Keep going. Passenger side. Stop. I think you're good. That looks good. Nah, maybe go like one more foot. One more foot, yeah. Stop. You're good. Oh, dude, that's cool. Oh, wait. Let me shut the light off. Hold on.
Even though it's hanging.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Yeah. Hold on. I'm going to close the garage. I just love the way this looks. Too bad my garage is so dirty. Dude, this underglow looks so cool that it's almost like a camera effect.
Right?
That is sick.
Makes the car look like it's floating.
Oh, yeah, right, exactly.
Especially when it's on the side driving, it looks like it's floating.
Dude, I love this. Too bad. I might give you a bad idea, but too bad you don't have custom headlights that match the underglow.
I need
rainbow.
to take these ones out, and I was thinking about doing a retrofit.
I know a company that can do the headlights to match. I don't remember the name, but I can get it to you eventually.
Was the guy from Hunter Blake, the Baghdad Cruise, he had a white one?
No.
Because he had some too. It's called like some Prism, it was some P company, P Solutions or something. And they had a full retrofit. I would like that because the colors have changed to go to match it for car shows.
Yeah, that because one of my friends has. He doesn't have underglow, but he has headlights where on his phone he can do the exact same colors.
Yeah. And
his say RS, like they were completely custom.
Okay.
I don't know what he paid, but I'm sure it wasn't the cheapest.
I have a light bar I didn't put up there yet.
Yeah.
It's an RGB light bar that can do the same thing.
That's cool.
So,
it needs it.
It needs it. I just haven't had the time, and priorities should be getting the car through inspection because I'm due on Wednesday. I said, nah, screw it, let's go intercooler first.
Yeah, intercooler first, of course.
First.
Why not?
I even have the flex fuel kit with me too. I do everything in the car.
Race car stuff.
Exactly.
All right, cool. Well, let's get the lights back. All right, let me shut the camera off. Turn it back. So I sped up the next portion of the video because my camera was giving me problems, and for some reason some of the footage disappeared. It got very glitchy, and I was trying to explain in this part of the video that I have these new heavy-duty brackets for the intercoolers. They are direct bolt-on, and you just use these pre-existing holes on the Generation 1 Cruise, and you can see it mounts perfectly, and they are much stronger than the previous versions of the intercooler brackets. So just made for a much easier installation process, and it provides a much nicer product for everybody. You might have to clear that code from before, because it's still going to be on because you haven't driven yet. Yeah, well, it sounds like it's running real good.
All right, you go ahead and give it a little rev. I just want to hear it. That sounds good. Rev it a little higher. All right, I'll get it back together and we'll go for a spin.
Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds like it has more spool to it, like a quicker spool.
It's gonna feel pretty good when we go for the test drive.
Now, those of you that have an Eco model Cruise, your car comes with a shutter system in the lower grille. The shutter system is there to help keep the engine even hotter than it should be so you can get better gas mileage. You have to remove these whenever you're running an intercooler for two reasons. A, it's in the way, and B, you want as much airflow through your intercooler as possible. When you do that, you do have to change your fuel pump control module. I have them on the supercruises.com website. They're not very expensive, but this will also, you know, if you're trying to get power out of your car, you definitely want to upgrade it anyway. So it is a performance mod, but you will need it if you have these shutters, and they will need to be removed. It's just 4 simple Torx bolts, and it comes right out.
That'll be fun.
That's too tiny.
It's probably in the bag.
Probably somewhere in here.
Yep.
Oh, wait, these go top.
All right, we're almost done. We're just getting the car back together, and then we're gonna take this for a trip. Actually, first thing we're gonna do is check out the underglow at night, which is really cool. I can't wait. I'll turn the camera. Whoa! Almost died. I'll turn the camera back on when we're done. I'm closing the door. I want to kill. There we go. I wanted to kill my emergency light. Wait, don't turn it on yet till I'm in front of it. Hold on. This is gonna be cool.
Auto lights off real quick.
Okay. That's actually kind of helped me get through.
This is cool.
Wait for it. You ready? All right, go ahead. Oh, this is so cool. Wow.
It makes the car look like it's floating.
It really does.
And it's all the way around, sides and rear too.
The car looks different.
I'm happy to report that all of the lights are working.
Everything.
We have no casualties.
Watch your eyes. Watch your eyes for a second.
Mine?
His. I want to test the light.
Oh,
bars.
close your eyes, kiddo.
Let's see.
Oh, wow.
Those are bright.
Hold on, let me check to see them, if they're working.
Right.
Yeah, they're both working. That looks cool. Oh, you know what we should have done? Put it on the lift and put it up in the air to make it actually look like it's flying. How cool would that have been? We'll do that another time. I'm way too tired.
I'll be here.
But
I'll be here again.
yeah, you'll be here again. Here, well, one of these days I'm gonna have like a barbecue for all my local cruise guys.
Yeah, we'll meet up.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it looks really cool with the exhaust too.
I want to take this thing for a spin. Let's see how this drives.
So in this portion of the video, Doug was pulling his car out of the garage, and then we went for a drive, and the footage was all at night, obviously, and I didn't think it really looked good, or it sounded great, but it just didn't look good. And so he ended up coming back another day. I have another video I'm editing where you know, we work on his car again, and but I'm gonna put some of the footage of his car driving during the day so you guys could really enjoy his car. This one's a really cool one, so I'll insert that footage instead of showing us driving at night because I just thought the footage was awful.
Oh, it even has a better throttle response.
She's running good.
It's running fantastic.
Alright, flex fuel kit installed, tune installed. I was texting Jerry today. He's a little busy, but he'll probably get back to me later. We sent him a funny video. That was kind of fun.
Yep. Hopefully he'll get a good laugh at that.
And then, other than that, the car's running great. So the intercooler. So what do we do? So since I met you, you did the intercooler, flex fuel kit,
the fuel pump control module.
fuel pump control module.
Because it's an eco car, I got to get rid of the check engine
Yeah, because of the
light.
shutters.
The wastegate actuator.
Wastegate actuator. That's right.
That's one thing I'd be proud of. I did by myself at home.
That is true. And he filmed it. I actually just watched. I watched the video of him talking to me on the phone, which is kind of fun. Oh yeah, make the right here.
Yeah, the car sounds more impressive right now.
I really like this car a lot.
You'd be first on the list when I go to sell it.
Yeah, I definitely want to be on the list.
You'd be the first. You're the only one that's really showing interest and want to buy it. It's like, yeah, I know he would use it, take care of it, because the actual cruise owner instead of just some guys getting into it.
Yeah, see, it's funny because people see Camaros and Mustangs, they're like, oh my God, and they want every Camaro and Mustang ever made. I'm like,
I want cruises.
I want cruises. I love these cars, and it's probably more so because I'm a father.
Yeah.
And I like quote unquote slow cars that you drive fast than
like,
fast cars that you barely can use the horsepower.
This is a slow car and you can drive fast.
Right. You could be foot to the floor, red line, shifting gears, and you're still only doing like 40 miles an hour.
Exactly.
But it feels like you're doing 100. So, I never asked this question, but what is your impression of the intercooler? I usually get a text message.
Yeah.
I usually get like, oh my God, this is awesome. I usually get the intake temperatures are phenomenal. Like I always get after.
Yeah.
I never ask anybody like in real time what they think of the intercooler. So what are your impressions of it after your first drive?
The first drive with it, much punchier boost. It's a more linear power curve. It's not like hesitant trying to lag with it, where almost you feel like a little bit of turbo lag with 4 and a little 1.4 car. It's a linear. Its boost is kicking in. It's going. You can hear it. It feels better. It runs better. It sounds better. My exhaust sounds better. Sounds smoother, more higher pitch for it. So
Yeah.
it's definitely worth it. Worth the time. Worth the 2-hour drive up to Jersey for it on a night where I gotta go to work at 7 in the morning.
Yep.
Worth it though.
Yeah, but I'm glad you came because I was able to put in those updated brackets,
Yep, and they fit
and I was
fantastic.
able to just like see everything in and see if there was any issues with the car, and I like it better knowing when I have a new product that I can actually see it in person before somebody actually gets it. So
It works fantastic.
cool. Oh, you know what's even better? You could see Super Cruises perfectly
Yeah, you see Super Cruise
right through there. I love that. I love that. That's so cool.
It's showing in there.
Yeah, you can
Light
see it
up.
too.
Yeah.
You know what you have to do? Just get a little accent light so you can see Super
I was
Cruises
thinking
right
about
inside
getting
there
a
now.
grill light, so a little
Yeah,
grill,
yeah,
a little
yeah.
white
I
grill
love
light,
that.
Put it on there.
I love that.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
It'd be great.
Cool. Well, I had a fun day. I hope you had a fun day,
I had a
Hunter.
fun day too.
Hunter, I think
fun
you
day?
had the most fun today.
Yeah.
You
I
want
like
to
filming.
say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.